welcome to Audrey's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making pulled pork. And I'm going to be using, instead of a pork butt, I'm going to be using a loin of pork. It's very simple to make. So I have it in a roasting pan. I have a tray underneath. I made some slits on top. You don't have to go very deep. So to this, what I'm going to be adding, I chopped up one large onion. Just break it apart right on top. Okay, and I also have about 3 cloves of garlic that I sliced up. This is going to be cooking for a good 3-4 hours, so all the onions and garlic are just going to melt. Okay, I have about 2 tablespoons parsley, half teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to put about a tablespoon of garlic powder. To the bottom of this, we're going to be adding 2 cups of water. Okay. Now with your favorite barbecue sauce, this is 17-ounce bottle of barbecue sauce. Any favorite barbecue sauce of yours is fine. Just going to add the whole thing. Add a little water to the bottle, shake it up. Okay. Oops. So you just want to lift it up, let all the liquid get underneath it, move it around a little bit. So now I have the oven set at 375. Just cover the top with aluminum foil. I like to make 2 little holes, little air vents. Now we're going to put this in the oven and we'll check it, and we'll take the aluminum foil off after about an hour, hour and a half. Okay, so I pulled the pork out of the oven and I removed the tin foil. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven and it's going to go another hour. It's been 1 hour in the oven so far. Alright, so now I pulled the pulled pork out of the oven. I took some juices out of the pan because I'm going to start just with 2 forks. Just going to start breaking it apart. And you can see how it just falls right apart. And if you find that it's not pulling apart the way it should, just very easily, you put it back in the oven, cover it with tin foil, and put it back in for a little longer. Okay, see how this is just pulling apart? And you could go ahead and add some of the juices that you took out, or you can just go ahead and add some more barbecue sauce. just continue to break it apart. This is the barbecue sauce with the onions that I drained out. I'm just going to put a little in here so we keep it nice and moist. Like I said, you can go ahead and just add some more barbecue sauce. And there we have it, pulled pork. I hope you give it a try. It took exactly 4 hours in the oven. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.